So let's do this, because after this lesson I will jump on my trainer and I have to cycle. I did not decide yet on what program I would go, but I think I will just do something for recovery, because I've done a cool strength training on Friday and it fried my quads, so I have to cycle, I think, today for recovery. That being said, let's maintain our system logs. We briefly touched upon log files and where they can be found in Linux Fundamental Part 1. However, let's quickly recap. Located in the var log directory, these files and folders contain logging information for applications and services running on your system. The operating system has become pretty good to automatically managing these logs in a process that is known as rotating. I have highlighted some logs from 3 services running on an Ubuntu machine. An Apache 2 web server, logs from the failed to ban service, which is used to monitor attempt brutal forces, for example. The UFW service, which is used as a firewall. We can see all 3 services here, all 3 logs for the 3 services there. These services and logs are a great way in monitoring the health of your system and protecting it. Not only that, but the logs for services such as web server contain information about every single request, allowing developers or administrators to diagnose performance issues or investigate an intruder's activity. For example, the 2 types of log files below that are of interest are access log and error log. Here we can see in the Apache web server, for instance, access logs and error logs. There are, of course, logs that store information about how the OS is running itself and actions that are performed by users, such as authentication attempts. Answer the questions below. Look for the Apache 2 logs on the deployable Linux machine. All right. So we are inside our home user directory. Let's go to variable logs. Let's list. We go to Apache 2. Here, list again. Let's clear and list again. We completed this. We can see access logs, errors, and other vhost access logs. What is the IP address of the user who visited the website? And okay, if we get the access log 1, we can see that this IP used Mozilla to request a picture of cats and dogs. What file did they access? Here we can see that file. Pretty cool.